friends, and welcome back, and welcome if you are new. Today I am laughing at myself a bit because I pulled out my summer decor to decorate my tier trays for the summer, and it's snowing outside. It is May, for Pete's sakes. Why is it snowing? Well, nevertheless, I wasn't going to let a bit of snow stop me, so come along with me as I decorate my tier trays. I hope you enjoy these type of videos. Let me know down in the comments if you do. So I have two trays that I will be working with. This massive one came from Home Depot, and the two-tiered one, a smaller one, came from Amazon. So this is everything that I pulled out to decorate. I probably won't use all of it, but wanted to show you different elements that I will be using to decorate them. First, I clean off all the trays, put away things. As you can see, they still have some Easter decor, and keep the stuff that I will be reusing on a side. Then I like to clean the tray completely, dust it and clean it out, because once I fill it, I probably won't be taking stuff out of it to clean it on a weekly basis. So the process that I usually use to decorate these is I like to add bigger pieces first. So depending on the size of the tray is how you decide what your biggest pieces will be. I also love adding potted plants, and then I follow with fillers. It might be greenery, and my fillers for today will be lemons, since I am going with the lemon theme, and then I follow with couple knickknacks.
And see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. You and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Oh, even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
For my kitchen tray, I like to add, which will be the two-tier tray, I like to add elements that are related to the kitchen. I always use this creamer and sugar containers from Raydan. I do love the ceramics, the little ceramic containers. I do love using them. And then I follow with greenery and then with fillers. And usually the fillers are are seasonal, because I do change these out seasonally. I love using these containers for herbs. I had picked those up at a garage sale last year, and I love them. I've been using them in at different seasons. I have them also all over my kitchen, and I just think that they're so cute. I think I got 12 of them for, I don't know, I think they were like $5 or $6. Great deal in my opinion. All my greenery that you see that I use comes from dollar store, whether it's Dollar Tree or Dollarama, because I am located in Canada. Well, I do hope you guys enjoy these decorating videos. If you do, give me a thumbs up, maybe share it with your friends. I love the lemon theme for this time of the year, especially at this time. As I mentioned in some of my other videos, I just need the bright yellow happy color. It just makes me feel brighter and happier. Like I said, if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're brand new to my channel, I would love it if you press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out any of my upcoming DIY and decorating videos. So until next time, I hope you guys are staying safe, and I hope you guys are all having a wonderful day. And until next time, see you in the next video.